Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are brand new. I have a cleaning channel here on YouTube. I also do other lifestyle topics, basically all around homemaking and stuff around the house. So yeah, today we're doing a power hour. I love doing these videos, and I just noticed I haven't done one in like a month, I think. So time to get back into it. I got a lot of stuff to clean today, so I figured I would take you all with me, turn on the camera. The dogs are right below me. They just walked in here, if you saw that. But yeah, I need to clean up the kitchen. It's kind of a mess. I'm not sure how one person can make such a mess, but I managed to do it. I also have a lot of laundry to do, and here I have some sheets and stuff that I need to put away. I had to wash some towels and sheets. My parents were here to visit. So anyway, let me show you my list, and then we're gonna put an hour on the clock and get to cleaning. I hope this provides you some cleaning motivation. I know that these videos always help me get inspired to clean, and it's also just fun seeing how other people do stuff. So anyway, let's just get started, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so here is my list. I'll show you guys really quick. This paper, by the way, is from Home Goods. I think it comes with like a million sheets. I love it. I need to clean up the kitchen. It's kind of a mess. I need to do some laundry, unfortunately, my least favorite task. I need to put away laundry, my second most hated task. I need to pack for my overnight trip tomorrow, and then I need to write out some instructions for my aunt who will be watching the dogs about what they eat and Minnie's medication schedule. I also need to upload some receipts to Ibotta. I have a pile of receipts sitting on my kitchen counter ready to upload, so I need to do that too. Anyway, it doesn't look like a lot, but I promise this will take an hour because so much laundry. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here at my oven. It is 10:05 right now. I'm gonna put the timer on for 1 hour. Hit start. All right, you girls wanna help me clean the house? You wanna help me? Yeah? All right, let's go.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems. know, now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
I'm walking you through how easy it is to use Ibotta. I'm so mad that I haven't been using it longer. You're missing out on so much money if you're not using it. Basically, all you need to do is upload your receipt, and they have a lot of items at every store, Target, Publix, everything, and you just upload it, it matches to your receipt, and then you get money back. So here I bought vitamin water, and it got me 50 cents back on each bottle. So it really does add up. So I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in signing up. I think you can get like $5 when you first sign up. So I'll leave that down below in case you are interested.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright guys, that is all it. I hope you enjoyed this power hour. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to sit on the couch. So I hope you guys have a great night. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you like content like this. I would love to have you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Finding life along the